Hello YouTube, Dion from ADEXTECH with the unboxing of ZALMAN ZM1200-EBT, a 1200 watt power supply that is an actual beast. What is more, this is an 80 plus gold certified PSU. That means that it has only the best capacitors, and actually this beast is a really tough one and it's not going to die easily. So as you can see, there are here all the certifications, and let's go and open the box. This is such a beefy PSU that can actually power a dual system case. So inside we can find the user's manual, and inside here we can find all the extra accessories. This is actually a modular power supply, and as you can see we can find, okay, this is the power plug. There's a lot of cables for SATA or all our peripherals, and some case of mustard cables here, but it can be modified. Other than that, okay, here's the user's manual. All the important information here is another cable, some zip ties, okay, some screws, and here is the actual power supply with this golden tone and a white fan that it will fit most cases. And here are all the modular connections for a power hungry system. And actually this is the end of our short unboxing of the ZALMAN 1200 EBT power supply from ADEXTECH. Thank you for watching.